Chat, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the opening bell with myself, Keegs. I think today's gonna be a good one, guys. We definitely had some awesome news that actually moved market exactly how we wanted to today. So we're gonna get into things very, very shortly. As I say, it's just gonna be myself today. Jevon's got some meetings. Chris obviously still out of town, but I think we've definitely got some things we can play out nicely today for us, guys. But alright, guys, just let me know how the sound is. Music too loud if you can hear me, just so we can try to fix that quickly, and then we'll start jumping into the charts. So we'll give it a few more seconds, guys, and then we'll get everything kicked off. But I hope you guys are ready for a goodie today, guys. Trust me, your bros fueled and ready today. Morning, Keys. Morning, guys. Good to see you all here again. Sounds perfect and sounding crisp. We love to hear it. As usual, the chat is on time and in the queue outside. Yeah, guys, we love to see it. Honestly, you know, we actually always joke about it, but it's such a good feeling when we literally start in the stream and you guys, there's like people in the waiting room. Like, it's such a cool feeling. But yeah, I'd say drop a like, but don't reckon they deserve it. Is that so, Minty? What's up, traders? Morning, guys. Minty slowly going to start turning into the new Anton. Just needed to refresh, my bad. All good, bro. Morning, Peach Nation. Alright, guys, I think we're going to talk about it in a little while, but definitely some big things going to happen. It's going to be time for Peach Nation to stand up. We're going to slowly start really taking over, guys, showing people why you don't mess with the peaches. But we're going to start killing the markets. We're going to start eating together. And anyone else that gets in our way, trust me, we're going to take all those stops from them. Guys, don't be Antons. Drop a like. Oops. Alright, guys, but I think we can get into it straight away so long while everyone else starts to join in. So let's start off with the dollar index, guys. I was up already this morning. Look at my charts. As I said, trust me, I'm fueled and ready to go. So we are ready for this. Charts already analyzed, broken down. So we are bearish on the dollar. We obviously called this yesterday with CPI coming out negative for the dollar. Again, big thing, as I said to you guys, some key things to take note of was dollar kept gapping up. We could see this every single day, a gap up. Monday being the first day, a gap down. Tuesday, gap down. We were going for this full year, and not only that, when we broke it down, again, people were asking me, what were the hints Keegan was giving? What were the hints? Guys, if I tell you market is pulling back, this was a pullback. That means it wasn't the move. This was the pullback. Market's going to correct now. What does that mean? Market's going to do this. Bang, bang, bang. So for those guys that understood that and got it yesterday, well done to you guys. We all killed CPI yesterday, but it was a goodie. As I said, we were going to get right back into things. This was the big confirmation we needed, and again, a lot of stuff that's going to come in for the further rate pauses. So we can talk about that a bit later if we want to, but that is obviously determined a lot of things for us, that the dollar is now going to be going bearish for a while. We can expect a little bit of a pullback. I'd even say possibly to the daily pivot, even mainly this EQ, as you guys can see, this was more of a will hold on and breakaway again. So we could wait to see dollar possibly even go to pivot, EQ, which will allow certain currency pairs to have those pullbacks as well, and then the bigger drop off again. But we are bearish on the dollar now, so we'll just keep that in mind when analyzing our pairs. Bro, how do you enter CPI trades? Do you put limit orders? What are your stops and pips since the slippage is so big? Okay, well, we're not trading CPI now, but I don't do limit orders. I don't believe in limit orders. It's all about market execution. So I enter the trade beforehand or I react. So depending on how I'm feeling with the data. Data was pretty easy to predict yesterday, so I entered beforehand and took the trade. Yes, some guys got wick, but as I think Minty, it was as well, even said, he didn't get stopped. The thing is that wick is so fast. It literally, so literally for me, like when I was watching it, my thing didn't even show negative. It was straight profits. The thing didn't even click. It went into negatives. So same thing. Even if you had a stop loss there, your stop actually wouldn't have been activated. That's how you get slipped. So you just need to know what you're doing. A lot of people call it gambling. I call it you just don't know your shit if you're gambling. We knew, again, as we said, we could predict it. It was a pretty easy one going into yesterday. So we were pretty confident in the move. But that's how we traded CPI yesterday. Alright, go over to gold, guys. Gold, we are now bullish, alright? So we can take away this 4-hour support. We are done with that. Let's look at this, guys. Alright, we can actually start moving some key levels, marking that out now since we are kind of in a new range. So first thing we are going to want to take note of, we've got this area here. I can already see, there we go. Got quite a bit of price action on that. But we can also see that one over there. Let's see. I want to have a few candles acting off of a zone. I like this one, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna mark that one out. Yeah, there we go. So we can name that daily key level. Okay, guys, obviously we are bullish on gold, so that's what we're gonna be looking for now. But we can move all these markers away. We don't need them. We are nowhere close to that zone anymore. This low of last week, we can mark that out. For interest sake, I think we'll actually mark out the high of last week as well. So let's just mark that out quickly. I just want to see where that was. Wednesday, Monday over here. That was the high of last week. So let's mark that one out. Oh, Monday this week, Friday, Monday. So that was literally the high. So we can go, yeah, a high of last week. Alright, you guys will see how price reacts off that area. Okay, so let's go back over here now. Let's go back to our daily, see where that kind of lines up for us. Basically where daily resistance is. But we already are starting to build up some structure for us to start looking over. So we know, guys, firstly, that's our key level we want to trade to. Now let's just look a little bit back if we want to see maybe some support areas, find some structure where we'd be able to get entries off of. Alright. Funny enough, where the candle actually closed is quite a nice zone as well. What would that be? 1962. Yeah, I think we can actually take that as a little bit of a support area, guys. So we'll mark that as our other one, so we know where we are trading between for the day. Okay, so let's drop down to the 4-hour. We can already see some 4-hour area, so we're gonna mark this one out. We want to basically, if you guys know how I like to trade, very, very simple but very, very effective. So we'll mark this one out here, 4-hour highs. Well, let's call it 4-hour rejection. Alright, so we know we're above it. We want to see now already then. So that means the 15. Our Asia highs are here. So we can have that slight pullback. We are aware of that. But we can also see if we can get a close back above here, we can enter. But let's see if we can get a re-enter on Asia highs or something. And then we can trade back above. Alright, but we will have these areas now marked out for us. We can already mark Asia highs. But definitely that area we can start looking for re-entries as well on gold, because we can already see how we rejected that yesterday. We are now right back up above it, and we are starting to form some entry criteria. Would have actually been a beautiful trade to take now, but this is out of session for me, so unfortunately I will not be taking that, guys. Gold will be temporarily bearish due to news. Nah, don't agree with that, bro. Don't agree with that. Yeah, definitely don't agree with that one. Okay, wait and see. Tech Lab, you also called Euro yesterday and you got clapped, my brother. So I will happily wait and see. Alright, so let's move over to UJ. Okay, UJ, we are now bearish, guys. Remember, we're keeping this neutral purely because we're at these high points, but we are now neutral. So we can take that one away. Let's give it here, guys. Alright, okay, so we can take away that little area there. Actually, we can keep it in. There's good possibilities we can move into these range. Let's look at it. Yeah, okay. I could see us possibly having maybe a little bit of a pullback to the weekly pivot and then the further trade down. So we already know that's what we want to watch out for. So let's see if we get back to that pivot. Let's go over to the 4 hour. Yeah, I think that's a perfect area for us, is literally on that pivot, guys. So we'll watch out for that one. 50 minutes. Our daily pivot actually sitting right there as well. So I would love to see the minute. Yes, let's move that back. Let's just move that. If we're ready to start going to Asia highs, I'll start looking to enter shorts on UJ. So we'll keep an eye on that one. And that's about it. We'll probably trade that down to this daily key level over here. So EU, guys, let's look at it over here. Let's see what we can do. So again, dollar weakness. So we are now bullish EU. We started calling this from last week, but we are now bullish. What do you think about Nas? I will be getting there, guys. Don't worry. You came here for my analysis, so when I'm done with my analysis, I can help you guys. Alright. So let's see, guys, on the 4 hour, we are starting to actually level out a little bit. Almost form a little bit of structure, but that's actually what we love to see. So if we start looking there, we can see that's a little bit of a low point, entry area. Starting to hold that as support even actually now. So what we'll do is we'll mark that zone out here on the 4 hour, these lows of them. And we'll mark out the 4 hour high points, okay? So let's make these orange so we can see them stand out. So if you guys know how I like to trade, very, very simple. You can see our Asia low is over there. I like to see basically something like this. Break out below, get back above. We can literally wait. I'd wait for a confirmation back on this area. We can see how it actually is being tested. Get an entry there and trade it back up again. Alright. So very, very simple trade setup here for us today. But we will just monitor again once market opens. Alright, so we are bullish on EU. EJ, we are bullish as well, guys. I've been talking about how much power the euro has been having lately, and we can definitely see that. So it's always quite hard to tell where we can trade the euro to. But again, we can then just start looking for some structure and see if we can take anything off of that structure. So as you guys know, I love the 4 hour. That's my baby. So we'll mark it out as well over here. We can even drop down to the 30 minutes. And we can see how we start getting some price action, rejection, support, and now trading back below. So same thing I said with EU. We want to see it break down, set the low of the day, bring in all those sellers, get back above Asia lows, back above, and trade all the way up. We can see how it holds as support the whole time. So very, very simple trade outlook for us today, guys. Things are going to get very, very nice for us. So let's go over to GU. PBR might push Nas. Oh. Tech Lab, you seem quite a confident trader there, my brother. Alright, so GU, we are bullish. Okay, we can see a little daily area. Yeah, we can mark out a little bit of a flip area where we can find some support. So we can mark that one out. All these ones are lower down. We can get rid of all of this now. Alright. We already have quite a few alerts going off, guys. But again, we can't do anything till the market open. I won't trade now. In gold sells right now. Looking for a quick sell in gold. You guys can go for it if you want to. I will not be taking that, but you guys are more than welcome to be my guest. Alright. Tech Lab, great. What's great, bro? Yeah, we can see this area being quite a little bit of an influential area on the markets. So we can see what can happen today with GU. But same thing, guys, go over to the 4 hour. We'll start to see these areas start holding as areas we want to watch. So same thing here. Bang, we'll draw that out there. Obviously for the next highs that are over here, we can see those ones already. Just above Asia highs, but same thing, we'd love to see this either get to this key level or back to Asia lows. So we'll see what can hold for them there. So let's see, GBP USD bearish. Oh my word, this guy. Why is GBP USD bearish, bro? Please explain. I swear this is another Anton, guys. We got scalpers in here today. Yeah, guys that can't trade for shit. But hey, I let everyone do their own thing. You do you, I'll do me. Alright, so GJ, we are also bullish now, guys. Again, same thing, we need to start looking. Yeah, there's nothing we really can see. Ain't nothing wrong with scalping, bro. Statistically, there is actually a lot wrong with it. Statistically, scalping is your least profitable strategy. So yeah, there's quite a bit wrong with it. And I've always said to people, if you are probably here on the stream, you're most likely not a profitable trader. That's why you're here looking for help, looking for some guidance. So that literally backs up everything. Alright. But let's see, guys. We are looking for some price action over here for us to look over on the weekly. We're on a little bit of no man's land. Doesn't really look to actually move that much over here. That seems to be our only problem. Okay, so we've got a key area there of rejection. Being tested a few times. So we'll mark that out for us. We can see it's been held rejection, rejection, support, rejection again. So we'll just mark this one out for us, guys. Just so we can have a little bit of guidance taking the trade. So on the 4 hour, we were breaking structure to the bottom again. We've actually made this little support and resistance over here. So we can see already that's where we're lining up. On the 15, we'll basically be coming down for the bottom. So making that low of the day, as we can see, get back above and continue upwards. Keep in mind, GBP also had news earlier, so we'll have a little breakdown in what that news was shortly as well. But let's just see over here, guys. Nas100. How do you predict CPI move and what gives it away? Fundamental analysis, bro. Start studying fundamentals. I think we are here to support the group. What do you mean by that, bro? Is in the group or like us? I'm a bit confused. Alright, so Nas, we are bullish as well, guys. 100% we are bullish now. Starting to take out these highs over here and share ideas. Yeah, but if it's negative ideas and you think you're the big shot, you can go somewhere else. You don't come to our platform to try use our platform to take over. Doesn't work that way. Alright, so we can see we have these daily highs over here that we broke and closed above. So we can mark these out here as our daily highs. Let's go over to our 4 hour. We are trading at the R2 now. Alright, so we also had our Asia highs, guys. So when it comes to this, I do not see us going to go get that pivot. But we definitely can see a pullback to the Asia lows, and possibly even those daily highs to continue bullish from there. So as I said, Nas, I don't like to trade out of session. So we will just carry on from there. US30, basically the same thing, guys. We got a weekly key level over here. We already have marked from yesterday. We broke above. So same thing, I would love to see us just come back down, test these, hold the support, possibly in a fake out, get back above and start trading up again. So we are bullish on US30 as well, and that is the machine gun analysis, guys. We're going to go back over to the charts now, and we'll start getting into things over here. We had an alert go off on EU, so we can go over check out what that was, what's happening with EU. EU basically just at the Asia lows now, but again, can't take a trade just as yet, guys. Got to be a little bit more patient with this one. Got to wait for market open, but in the meantime, let's go through the chat. Let's see what cuck some of these people are talking. Alright, keep waiting. Volta is zero spread account. Use that to trade big news with, but with buy stops and sell stops, and not once had a problem. Best thing ever to use for news trading. Well, there we go, bro. If that works for you, it works. I see. Thanks. We'll stay away from it for now unless you trade CPI live. Lol. Yeah. Probably not going to trade CPI those things live anymore. It's not appreciated by people. So yeah, as I said to the guys yesterday, I'm getting to a point where also if it's not appreciated, why do it? Sell gold, we went through that. This morning CPI was like a wet firework, nothing happened. Alright. Keys, do you use all the plates in the gym, bro? Use quite a bit. Keys built like a mountain. Good morning, fam. It's nice commenting on here and having the same outlook on gold. Been learning a lot from these lives. Oh, awesome, bro. I love to hear that. What do you think about Nas? Nas is bullish, but I do expect a pullback on it first. Hey guys, hit the like, show some love. Yeah guys, definitely please. We had 150 viewers, only 60 likes. Let's get these likes to 100. Maybe we can start doing some giveaways again. BBI might push Nas. We'll see. Remain unchanged. Morning keys, morning traders. Nathan, saw you in Trade Sharp. Good lad, Harry. In gold sells right now. I don't know about that as of yet, but it can work out. Yeah, he's a chill guy. Almost forgot to come over to our SA boys. He had to support. Really appreciate the support, Nathan. Scalp was here today. Yeah, I know some good advice, this lad. No, nothing wrong with scalping at all. I like a fresh scalp in the morning. I can't trade also. It's safe for me to say anything that gets me out of trouble. One thing traders taught me is patience. So much more patient with my wife. Late, but yeah, hope all is well. Jordan, you're not late, my brother. We've just done the analysis, but we're waiting for market open still, so haven't missed out on anything. How's the back doing, Keeks? My back's 100, bro. Back's 100. I think EU will move after London Open. Yeah, we'll get that move there in London Open. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate all you. It's appreciated by 99% of us. There will always be a few Antons in every community though. No, I get that, guys. But same thing, like I said to the guys yesterday, is people say it's appreciated, but for example, they don't give the credits. And that's why I said, like, you have to understand, we're not charging anything. I can charge money, make money, and then I don't care if anything else happens. But at least help us grow our platform. That's where we say to you guys, all we ask for is the likes. Same thing, if we take these trades, we make profits together, post about it. Like, I will reshare it on my pages. Like, tag me in it, everything, we'll reshare it. People want to post their profits, but don't want to tag, don't want to give that little bit of credit where it is. As I said, we don't ask for anything. Just help us grow. Let's build that family. Let's build our platform. But that's where it starts to become too much to ask for people. People want, but the moment they have to give a little bit, it's too much. You know, as the community grows, you will get more of those butt plugs. Yo, that's why I just ignore them, bro. Arkeeks and everyone. My favorite part of the day is watching your stream. Appreciate you. I appreciate it, my man. Peach Nation always. How you doing today, brother? I am hundreds. I'm literally ready to go today. After yesterday's news, markets have definitely been opened up nicely. So really think we can start getting some nice trades today. Markets have clear directions. So yeah, I'm excited to trade today, guys. Really, really excited. So we're going to see what happens here, guys. But otherwise, guys, after news, how are you guys all feeling? I hope no one was getting FOMO and tried to trade news yesterday and got clapped a little bit. Keep up the great work, bro. Always will. Really appreciate you guys. Just close the chart and sleep after that. We should get lack of volatility today and tomorrow. Great lack of big trades. Got a good one. And news up 9%. That is awesome, bro. I love to hear that. What time's the session we are waiting for? It starts at 10. There we go. Markets are open, guys. Round 1. Fight. What time's the session? Oh, that's that one. That thing moves so fast. News still pending and that thing shot up. It was instant. No, guys, that was a big one. I tried trading the news yesterday, but ended up break even because of slippage. Ace, bro. Okay, we've got another one. So GJ setting our alerts. So we know GJ and EU in our zones. GJ under Asia lows, so we're going to wait for that one. And EU going to be back above our zone, guys. So we're going to start breaking this down. Trust me, I'm ready, guys. Oh, like this is beautiful, guys. Trust me, I want to take a trade right here. If this thing closes bullish, I would, but got to wait for that 15-minute shuffle. I almost got a heart attack with a small bottom wick, but almost cleaned me, but luckily went up. Yeah, bro. I think a lot of people got a little bit of a heart attack with that bottom wick. Scared a lot of people. But I hope you guys are ready. I am definitely ready today to get some trades in. So for now, we are looking at EU, guys, and GJ. Definitely, I think the two pairs we want to pay attention to now. But again, we are waiting for that 15-minute shuffle, and then we'll get in, guys. What was the news? How did it come out for the pound? Came out lower. Okay, that's interesting. interesting. Yeah, and what was it last time? Obviously came up. Yeah. Huh. That's actually interesting. But we will see what expected. They did expect a lower, but it came out even lower than what they forecasted. I just want to make sure PVI is at 330 today. I haven't been on the laptop yet. Okay, I'll quickly check that again, guys. I think it is 330 because remember those news events used to be 230, but daylight saving, it's now hour later. So yeah, PPI is at 330. So we just had this GBP news. Other than that, we are just waiting for PPI this afternoon, guys. You'll see the post of Darren Dix bragging about 200k CPI trade. He took live screen recording, and just before it ended, message popped up from the Signal group. He's open, telling him to close. Oh my word. That is so funny. Those guys. Okay, just want your opinion on Euro USD. We are literally waiting for it, bro. So we're on Euro USD at the moment. I want to enter a buy, but I'm just waiting for market shuffle to come and go. But yeah, I want to enter longs on EU. Alright, Keys, I DM'd you on Instagram. Let me check, bro. Is your name also Car Culture on Instagram? The reason I'm asking, bro, is I have obviously quite a few DMs here. So, US30 specialist. Did you DM me, bro? Are you sure? Like, I don't have any DM yet. Wait. Oh. Yeah, no, I don't have any DM yet, bro. Just send screenshots on RG keys. Bro, that is hilarious. Oh my word. That is hilarious. Man hasn't flippin' idiot. But there, I don't know why, bro. Your thing wouldn't come in the request or anything, but I just went like into your thing, went to message, and I can see it. That is hilarious over Darren. Oh my word. Flippin' knob. Yo guys, we're on the same page. Yo bro, we're on the same page. Is entering a buy early on Nas, low buy with low lot size. Want to go along with the news event, looking at something like that today. Not going to risk too much for more reward. You could do something like that. PPI is going to come out lower than expected. Can you check Euro NZD once please? I'm in sell from yeah, we're waiting for market shuffle to come and go, so I'll check a few quickly. Why is it not searching? Euro NZD, so we go to the weekly. You are like in a bit of a flip zone at the moment. You are bullish, but you've set your low. Now you battle a bit to set your new high, so you're on maybe a little bit of a flip zone. We can see at this point in time you're basically making a double top. We can see on the daily, but again, I wouldn't be able to do that. So if you're in a sell, where did you say you're in the sell from? 80572. Yeah, for me, bro, you could probably look. You then could definitely look at 79749. This could be where the pivot is. That could definitely be your first TP, and if you want to hold, because if this is going to start flipping bearish, it's either going to get support there, so if it starts coming up you can close, otherwise it's going to break below. Then your next TP will be the lows here, where that's either going to flip, and if it doesn't, then you can aim all the way down to the S1, bro. So you just got to watch. That's your first, this being your first area you got to watch out for. And then your second one, the lows over here. If you break these two zones, you're going to fly. Alright. Back to USD. Still trading in that area for us. GJ. Underneath the Asia low, so nothing there. So USD looks like it's probably going to be our best one for the day, guys. Nas at least gives me 30 pips pullback. Good morning, sir. Check. Yeah, I checked it. How are you today? I am great. Thank you so much. What did Darren do? Darren basically took a trade live for CPR and was boosted about it. And then a message literally came up from his signal group telling him to close in profits. So he's acting like he took the trade, but he literally got the signal from another person. If I put a sell on US30 when I put a sell on US30 when I put a sell on Nas, I should have 50 pips profit. Oh wait, is it 10 already? Yeah, guys. So literally 3 more minutes, then we can start looking for some trades. What's your thoughts on that 4-hour resistance on gold? It might park there till news like yesterday, or potential thoughts. 4-hour on gold. I just want to see it close. If this thing closes above here, very, very simple for me. I'm trading back down to that rejection and then back up to the key level. Simple as that. That's what I'm doing. I'd love to see it close like this. Then I'm stoked. I'm happy with that. Remember, guys, PPI isn't as big. It's not one of the big boys, so market's not going to halt for PPI. JC almost missed our mate. Good morning all. Hope bro, very helpful. Thank you so much. You always help us. Thank you. Really such a pleasure, bro. Always here to help you guys. I heard this Darren Jabroni is a scammer. Darren Jabroni, I have no clue who that guy is. We talking about Darren Dix, bro. Are you waiting for retracement below Asia lows for the USD before enter? No, I was happy with this. We wanted to get back above this level, so when you go over to the 4-hour, you'll see that is the level of support we were making. So we just wanted to get it back above that and enter, but we're already now above the next one. So even if we get above this one, I'd actually be okay taking it. The only thing is we might have a bit of drawdown but we could enter on this one. But the ideal entry was this one over here, but obviously the candle ran away from us before the 50-minute shuffle. GBP USD, bro, any recommendations? I am bullish on GU. I'm just waiting for it to get to this key level over here, and then I'm going to enter, wait to show some confirmation, and then go long. That is my plan of action. I think I might get GU since everything else isn't playing with us and helping us out here. Keegs, did you see Sayil's stories yesterday afternoon? I did see them. I did. Guys, there's a lot going on in the Forex industry at the moment. And more so with the community. Not necessarily like news, not necessarily like guys achieving. It's more the community and all these traders trying to take each other out. Like this isn't a personal, this isn't a thing at Sahil. Sahil's a mate, all that is. This isn't anything to him. But it's in general, there's a lot of hate going around the trading community with the guys that are real, the guys calling out the scammers now. Scammers trying to be real and calling other scammers out that are real. It's a cutthroat world out here. So I always say to people, you can do the maths, you can put it one on one together. But yeah, it's a rough world out here. There's no rest for the wicked. But as we say, a lot of guys can claim they can trade or happily hop on a live and come and trade. Because that way, no one needs to say anything, no one needs to do anything. You will happily expose yourself. That's if you make it to the lives. And that's why a lot of guys don't do it. A lot of guys that are trading live, you'll see 100% of just genuine guys straight away. Because it's very, very hard to fake things on a live, like trading live with you guys. Noticed a bluff on an FX trader stream the other day. Called his bluff, he shadow banned me. It's a whole mess, bro. Yeah, it is. No, it's crazy. It really is. Definitely want to get in on this GU trade, guys. Definitely watching this here. This is probably got my attention the most here. EU, as I said, beautiful, but running away from us. So we'll see. Markets are ready to trade now. So, oh, sorry guys, I keep getting like hiccups. If we get anything now, we are going for it. So GU looks most likely. What's up, Keegs? How you been? What's up, my brother? I am hundreds, bro. Been so much better. I hope you're well as well. GJ starting to come back above Asia lows, so we can keep an eye on GJ as well. So yo, GU, GJ, they're looking like our two babies here. We might get something on today. UJ might actually get as well. Gold. Still hovering around, yeah. So we're just going to see what we can get today, guys. There we go. GJ crossing. So let's see what GJ can give us. Morning, K Rizzle. What's up, Nila? Good to always see you, my brother. Okay. Let's see, guys. Can GJ get back above Asia lows? Give us some type of support and we can get an entry on GJ. So GJ, EU coming back down, so maybe we get something there. GU, if we get back above Asia lows, I'll take it from there, but I would have loved from the key level. Dollar trying to come back up. Gold still above there. UJ trying to come back up. Yeah, guys. So right now, GJ looks like that's going to be our best bet for us. All right. Okay. Let's see here, guys. I'm just trying to get everything ready on my side. Make sure we are ready to take this trade. We are going to be trading GBJPY. There we go. Let's see if we get this pusher. I'm not taking the trade, guys. I'm just trying to see what I'd want my pips to be. I'd be happy with a 15. Okay. 15 stop loss. Okay. Yeah. All right. I'm ready, guys. I am ready. My only issue with GJ is that the 15-minute close bearish and breaking the previous candle low. Yeah, so what did I say to you guys? The thing for me is, so you having a 15-minute, okay? That broke low, closed bullish, closes bullish. Now you back up. And what did I say to you when I want to take a buy? You've set the low of the day, high of the day, came down, enticed your sellers, trapped them out with the fake out of the day, making the low of the day, and now you trade back up. That's like a key entry is how I love to trade these. So yeah, that's just an entry criteria for me. I love to trade like that. But again, guys, there's nothing wrong. That's like I say, people, it's just things like how I break down how I like it. Are you in? Not yet. We are waiting for this candle to close. If this can close above Asia lows, I will go in for it. Just because I'm ready to kickstart the day. I'm nice and up after yesterday, so I'm ready for this. I hope you guys are ready. Start dropping the likes, guys. Bring the volume, and we can kill these markets now. Keep in mind, we are also watching GU and GU getting stronger. So obviously dollar being a much stronger pair to compare to. So the fact pound is coming back up shows a lot. And obviously keep in mind this big bearish push was all news related. So let's see, guys, can we get in on this trade? Let's hope it either gives us our entry and we get in, and not a case of we don't get entry and it just runs away from us. Can't trade yen, but my hopes are with you. Appreciate it, Minty. You know what, at least I respect that, you know, like the yen pairs aren't good for you. It's not good for your health. So you just stay away from it. I can respect that. Nothing wrong with that. By the way, what happened to my brother Tech Trader that was saying gold was going to be coming down? So all those boys that were taking scalps on gold, I hope you guys listened. Remember, guys, this goes like this, can't enter, simple as that. Hey Keek, so if you guys have answered this, why do you go Asia session support and resistance for your lines and not the wick highs and lows? Wait, hold on. If you guys have answered, why do you go Asia session support and resistance for your lines and not the wick highs or lows? Wicks aren't proper confirmations, bro. So you want candle body closures. So obviously we use the Asia highs and lows, but we're using candle closures. So you can see obviously on candles. We don't want the wicks because those are basically can be fake outs. Yen shoves me in a locker and takes my lunch money. Okay guys, it looks like we're not going to get GJ yet. We're going to have to just be patient and wait a little bit longer there. But if anything, it's forming a nice resistance for us to break and get above that Asia low. Gold and GJ bearish. I'm not seeing any bearish momentum here, my brother. No bearish momentum. I never had a look at that before. No, 100%, bro. That's the thing. If you have a question, ask the question. We can see if we can answer it for you. And if I can answer it, obviously give you the explanation for it. Yeah, Tech Lab, this isn't looking good for you, bro. Those calls of yours are not looking good. Maybe you need to go to muscle buy, as Anton would say. Okay, EU still not giving us an entry, guys. Trust me, I want to trade today. I want to trade, but we are gonna be strict here, guys. We are waiting for an entry. I still think this GJ is gonna give it to us though. But while we wait, guys, the 5-minute did just close. We're waiting for the next one now. Do you think PPR will do the same as CPI yesterday on NAS? Honestly, I haven't even looked at PPR. Like, I really haven't even looked at the news for it. But I'll check it out and I'll see. I think PPR, funny enough, might give actually a bit of a spike again. Just if I'm going off the top of my head. Yeah. It might actually. Yeah, I might actually go with that. But like I said, I'm just saying off the top of my head. I haven't actually looked at it yet, at the stats and everything. Just watch. Bro, you've been saying just watch. You that guy that gold does this and you go, just watch. It's going to be bearish. Just watch. It's going to be bearish. Keegs, what do you think of UJ? Sell below Asia lows and half round number if 80 flips bearish. So bro, funny enough, I wanted to sell at the 150, 750 area over here. I wanted to sell, we're just not getting that. But we could get the sells. I think even for me, if we break Asia lows, I'll look for the sells as well. But why though? Guessing up and down won't help before the fact. Minty, as I said, I'm probably not even going to trade it because I don't really actually care about PPR. But again, that's just going off my fundamental analysis. That's why I'm giving a guess on it. Oh, sorry, man. Minty, I see you are talking about Tech Labs. I thought you were talking about PPR. Sorry, my man, misunderstanding there. But alright, guys, can UJ short to Asia lows? It can. You've obviously got the low you had to break through first, but as I said, this is a bit of a no man's land. I either wanted this top here or I want to sell from the Asia lows. But guys, I just need to go to the bathroom. Asking Tech that, Keys. Yo, no, sorry, I didn't see your first message where you're asking him. That was it, my apologies, brother. But yeah, I just need to go to the bathroom quickly, guys, and I will be back. Hopefully, EU nowhere, EJ nowhere, GU starting to get somewhere, and GJ also back at those lows. So we're just gonna be patient and see what we can get you, guys. And with the indicator for Asia highs and lows, I mark it out myself. That's not an indicator, bro. Yeah, guys, sorry, bathroom is still preoccupied, so I'm gonna have to go back again. But gold, bullish on gold. Yeah, guys, gold is literally one of the first pairs I break down, so just go back and look at it over there. But I am bullish on it. Is gold breakdown. Nathan, you guys think we're gonna get a push with PPR? Carl Bester, man's running the show on his 100%, brother, 100%. We have an alert going off though, so let's see what it is. Euro USD. Is Euro USD back at our point, guys? Ooh, it is. What happened with dollar? Oh, dollar trying to come back again. Do we take Euro USD now? Let's see how this 5 minute closes, guys, and I'll decide if I want to take it. Do you mind explaining how you mark out Asian highs or lows, or how can one learn? Sorry, new here. No, not a problem. So we do the 5 minute candle just so that you can get a better entry point again of candle closures. So you're just going to mark out from from 2 o'clock in the morning because of daylight saving. 2 o'clock, what your lowest point is between 2 and 6. So you can see 2 o'clock, that's our lowest point. And 6 o'clock, this is our highest point of a candle closure. Over there, actually. But yeah, that is how you mark it out. The gold pros need to go back to YouTube trading school to learn what bullish and bearish means. Yeah, it's clearly, bro. Clearly. I have a look, really thought about it after yesterday's butt clincher. I think down, but not acting on it. Thank you. I'm not sure. I almost wanted to say it's not going to move much, though. Yes, guys, we have 2 more alerts. GU and EJ going off now. Let's go see GU. GU at our key level, guys. Let's see. Can we get an entry on GU? Come on. Don't leave without us. Don't leave without us. I just want to see, guys. I'm not entering yet. Okay. I'll still stick with the 15. That's fine. Nas, please go to the beginning of the stream. You can go look at my analysis for Nas. I'm busy with other trades now. Let's see, guys. Can we get in on GU? You know, at that key level. Let's see if we can hold here. Here comes that big push down we wanted. Let's see if we can hold. What was the other one that went off? EJ. EJ at Asia lows. This guy's been a few all in one year now. Guys, purely because I'm up on the day and I just backed this trade, I'm gonna go 0.5% on GU. Alright. Obviously a bit late now with that bloody entry, but let's just see where we got our entry on there. I'm happy with that closing on that key area. 24,638. Yes, that really gave me a cuck entry on that thing. Oh, 488. Morning reckon I get out. You think dollar bearish? Yeah, I want dollar bearish, guys. That is what we are waiting for. So we'll see what happens there. DXY having a little fun there, breaking back up again, causing a little bit of havoc. And that's why we wait for entry confirmation, guys. That's why we wait for entry confirmation. Thing really gave me a flipping cuck entry because it took so long just to get my bloody lot size. But let's see what happens here, guys. I'm happy with this. We'll see 0.5% in on this trade. GU and gold bearish. Oh, you get it. This man's like a stuck record here. Are you in on buys on GU? What do you think? What does this look like? Are you in on a buy? Yeah, in GU sales and CPI this morning. Reckon I get out. Keys, do you think it matters? Do you think it matters whether you use your phone or PC to enter trades? I think, honestly, I think the PC gives you a much more like precise entry and a specific entry, if that makes sense. I do think it gives you a little bit better, but not much of an edge. All the best with the G trade. Can't take this one with you, bro. That's 100%. I always say, if it's not a trade you back, if it's not a trade you want to take, don't take the trade. No one's saying they're like, oh, you have to do like what we do. That's not the point. You guys need to also like think for yourself. UJ going down, gold still way above Asia highs and the 4-hour rejection point. Dollar index still holding that little bit bearish, and GU basically staying exactly at that entry point on that key level. Bro, I was just asking. I wanted to be sure if it was a buy or sell. No, bro. I'm not trying to be like funny. Like I'm just saying, like just look there yourself. You can see. That's all. I tried my luck with G. I'm out. Not enough breathing space for the trade, bro. 100%. Like what I said, guys. Just give it, because that's the thing. It could do something like this at this key level. First breakdown, get below, come back up. You can do something very, very similar. But again, I'm quite up now after yesterday, so I'm happy to take these risky shots and risk 0.5% on it. Chadadonia, where can I see that? I am new, that's why I'm asking. What I'm talking is this thing, guys. This is a bar setup. It's a long position, so this means you're obviously buying. If you were selling, it would look like that. So you can see the different positions. This is obviously profits on the upside, profits on the downside. Has Chris been trading this week? How's he doing? Chris has. He's actually 2 up this week, so he has broken the losing streak. He is back, so he's got two wins this week. Red below, green above. Lol. Red below, green above. No clue. Okay, thank you very much. No problem. DXY holding there. Dollar holding. UJ trying to come back again. UJ slightly closing on that low. EU trying to get back above that area as well. Euro JPY. GJ starting to come back up after that push. GU. Oh, GU having a bit of a push there now. Good lad. Almost thought Chris missed us and cut his trip short, Caledonia. Nah, he is missing us, guys, don't you worry. He actually leaves Cape Town tomorrow, but his flight's quite late, so he'll actually only get back in office on Friday. So I thought it was next week, but he will actually be back here on Friday for us. I'm like tempted to re-enter, but I should keep the bullet right. Yeah, bro, as I said, if you don't back the trade, don't take it. Stick with your setups. Stick to your guns. Don't just follow blindly. If it's not a setup you like, if it's not a setup you would take, don't take the trade. What made you decide to go with that trade you're currently in? Basically the key level. So on the key level, we mark this out on the daily. We can see how price reacts off this zone. So we can see we get a lot of support off this area. So quite an influential area for price. Knowing we had a nice strong bullish candle, we had to allow for some pullback. So obviously what's the closest area, we can have a big push and pull back to this zone, similar to this over here. Close very nice and bullish, pull back to it and close back above. So we just had to find an area we could see price pull back to, and now we are in our trade. Thanks so much, Keegs. I've been using the daily and monthly way more for analysis, and it is helping no end. I used to only use 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute. No wonder I suck. Obviously, guys, it just gives you the bigger outlook of your trades, like what market actually is wanting to do. Yeah, so that's what I say, guys. Just back yourself, back your trades. Don't be scared to take losses. That's the thing. A lot of people, for example, I'm not saying this is a winning trade yet. It doesn't hit TP, but this thing is still turn around and tank all the way down. But the problem is a lot of people won't enter here because they're going, oh, like it's there. Look at this. Market can still flash. They don't take the trade. You have to back yourselves. You can't be scared to take a loss in trading. That is part of trading. That's why people can't break down and cry when you take a loss. Just manage your risk, manage your trades, and back yourself. So, like I said, I'll do a half percent on this because I know it's a high risk trade, but I will look at it and go with what I feel and back myself. I'm up massively yesterday, so I have the 0.5% to risk if anything. Check gold. Guys, please don't spam the chat. I'm not here just to do your bidding. There is nothing on gold there. Where is you, please? He had a JC. He taking some English classes with Anton there. Break even point. I'd probably say break even. I'm gonna go at like 24,700. I'll go break even. Yo, haha, check gold. For this trade, yeah, 24,700. Is it smart to switch stop loss to entry? It is, but not on this trade. You haven't hit a point to go break even yet. That's why we talk about managing your trades. There's no reason to go break even yet on the trade. If you go break even again, it's just because you're scared. So again, take it if you want to. If you're scared to take the loss, you shouldn't be trading. Like guys, we keep reiterating this. People want to trade because they want to make money, but they don't want to lose money. If you're scared to lose money, it means you're not in the position to lose that money. Then you shouldn't be trading. Very, very simple. Don't put yourself into debt because you think you're going to become a millionaire. Breakies, make a mod in the chat so I can mute these people spamming and check gold. Yeah, guys. And like, I understand you guys, you're obviously unsure, you want analysis, but just ask. I will get there when I can get there. But again, I'm not here just to do your bidding. If I'm in a trade, I can happily sit and just look at my trade. Nas pushing bullish. Will you think pullback will happen in NYSE? Yeah, hoping, bro. I'm definitely hoping it will. DXY really trying to make a comeback. I think DXY is going to aim for those Asia highs. Don't quit, no. Scared money don't make money. 100%. 100%. I'm not lol. I can't till I have bought myself a toffee just for the day. Any of the other trades playing out yet? Okay, well, UJ just died. We said obviously once that went there, but we'll monitor Asia lows. Sell GJ. Why and where you selling it to? That's the thing, guys. When you guys are always doing this, you're like, sell. Like, that's honestly my question is, so you just see it because the market looks like it's bearish now you want to sell it. Like, what is your reason why you want to sell it? That's always the question I keep asking people. Yeah, guys, we will just have to cut this stream a little bit short today, so just before 12, purely just because we've got some guys doing some aircon services here, and obviously the aircon's like above our equipment, so we need to switch off just to move the equipment to the side. We don't want them messing on our stuff. So yeah, just for today, stream will be cut a little bit short from 12. We won't obviously be going to like 12:30 today. Keegs, I'll be in office at 12:30. Alright, my brother, we'll see you there. We're going to be chilling. As I said, the guys are coming in, so they're going to be doing some services. So we are literally just going to be chilling. But we'll check you then, brother. Just want to know it. That's a good point. Yeah, Like I said, guys, please, I'm never trying to be like rude. Please don't take it rude. Like I'm just being, I'm straightforward. Let's put it that way. I'm straightforward. I don't beat around the corner. So, yeah, I'm straightforward. So like I say, if you want to sell something, just don't be like it's bearish. Oh, so we're selling. Like, give me a reason why are we selling. And like, I always think of it like try convince yourself. Like if you were going to court, you need to back it up with facts to obviously win this. So like I said, it's not, again guys, please don't be scared to ask or things like that. Or if I give you an answer, I'm not being rude. I'm straightforward. I'm not beating around the corner. When you're dealing with people's money, I'm not going to beat around the corner here. I'll just be straightforward with you guys. I love the way you talk. It's okay. No, I appreciate it, bro. Like, it's the only reason I say this because I know some people, they get their feelings hurt. 5 red folders for 330 today for USD. I feel bad for them, man. Yeah, again, I think some people are going to get hurt today. The market is rude. He's taking money and leave. Yeah, that definitely is, guys. If this thing closes above that little is 5 hour, it's over here. There's 5 minute, 5 minute years. You guys can see next to it there. We are very comfortable here because basically we held the support on the key level, and if we can close above those 2 candles there, we've made ourselves a nice little resistance to break. So we'll just want to see if we can close above that. That's all we are really monitoring here, guys. On the 15, we are still showing that we are holding here, so that is fine. But as long as if we can close back above those, that will be awesome. When you getting Jay on stream, we won't be getting him on stream. Today is some bearish news for USD. Do you think it will pump the GDP? It will pump GDP if you trade in GDP USD. If you're trading GDP JPY, then USD news has nothing to do with that. The unvote comes to my country in 2024 and I'm already hyped. Haha. Bro, it's always weird, eh? Like in South Africa, like they have fans, but I'd say not a lot. But people overseas, they love the unvotes. Oh my word, Tech Lab, bro, you are literally so freaking irritating. You're literally like a broken record, yeah. Man, once you keep saying everything's bearish, but literally can't even flip and explain why it's bearish. That's always the case with SA artists. Any advice on when to move stop loss to break even? I'm only doing it at 24,700. Why tech? Why? Yeah, guys, like another Anton, bro. It's literally another Anton. You have an FX books of your trading results or somewhere we can see track of your trades? No, I don't do it because I don't believe in it. I trade live with you guys. So if you're literally here every single day, you'll see my records. So what is the point in having an FX book? As this is the whole thing with, like for example, doing the CPI, NFP. I'm at a point now I don't have anything I need to prove to people. So I don't need to prove to you, ooh, I can trade. I hit 10 wins. No, I don't need to do that. UJ probably at Asia lows now with our alert going off. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, Tech Lab, we are gonna just kick you soon, bro, if you're gonna carry on. Like I said, you want to have a chat. Something I said to Anton yesterday, if you want to chat, then chat. But if you're just gonna spam the chat with absolute shit, then I'm just gonna kick you, bro. How do you feel about market conditions after CPI? I love the market conditions after CPI, bro. I love it. Tech Lab, just because you see a bearish candle doesn't mean the market is bearish. I think over the course of the day, I got USD and GBP USD bearish. Euro took out the high for liquidity and now has strength to push down and take out previous week's liquidity below. Okay, now you see, that's the thing. There you go, Lucas, I appreciate that. Give me a reason why you think that, okay? Now that's, you can give me an answer. 100% understand that. Now, if I go GU, alright? We're going to do this, guys. Simple identifying trend, okay? Identifying trend. Bullish, you had the break of structure. So you have your higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. New lows, change of character, alright? Higher low. Fails to make new low, makes a higher high. So now you've had a change of character again, alright? So we can see that break of structure. Now we go over to the daily. Same thing. You can see there was your failure to make a new low, made a new high, higher low, higher high. So you've switched trend again to bullish. Now if we go over to the 4 hour, only thing is, again, this was your area of resistance, clean break above, massive candle. So only thing you have to really have is a pullback, alright? So you have a massive candle, no wicks basically at all. We can take it from that zone, go all the way to the top. Where is our trend? Look at that. We are literally in the key level, in between the 38 and the 50, and right now exactly on the 38 on the fib. So again, wrong one. Same thing. This can all just be a pullback. So again, we are bullish on the day. This is just our pullback, and this key level becomes our flip zone to market correct to do that. Again, different styles of trading, just it's how you approach the market. And that's why I said different styles. So how I trade, that's how I'll see the market. Lucas trades a different way, that's how he sees the market. Nothing wrong with that. And that's why I say I love to have a conversation with you guys, but then let's have a conversation. Back up why you say things. Opposite for our keys, there are some daily bases, GJ, GU, and EU. For me, market is a minor pullback retracement into imbalance. 100%. So there, Chepo literally basically saying what I'm saying as well. There's still some bearish momentum on the CPI that I'm milking too. That is why I'll join every day. You guys are the best. Please don't. Reason why GBP is because of the CPI news, and that affects GDP. Yeah, but CPI news came out bearish for the dollar, meaning rate will pause. All of that means the dollar has now become dovish. So if the dollar is dovish, how does that mean that GU is bearish? Because that would mean that dollar is stronger if GU is getting weaker. So if you're talking about CPI news is why it's bearish, the CPI news was bearish and dovish for the dollar, meaning GU would be stronger. After yesterday's big impulse, price should retrace though. Yeah, as you spoke about, this is going to retrace, but this is our retracement. So if you look at the day, you can see how we basically, all that happened, we set our Asia low, set our Asia high, we had GDP news that came out pushing the market all the way down for that retracement, and now we can trade back up. Keep in mind, this can just be the low of the day. Take lags needs to get lost. Take those. All you have to do is give a reason, brother. Yeah, that's what I said. Just talk, guys. Just back up why you say it. That's all I'm asking. If you're just gonna spam things in the chat, then you're gonna irritate people. Which pair is this? Look at the watermark, bro. GBP USD. 1 hour failed to break previous high and created new low. Yeah, but that's a 1 hour. What did the daily, the 4 hour, the weekly, the monthly, what are all of those doing? Those are much higher time frames, much stronger momentum. So if a 4 hour tells me something, I will definitely trust the 4 hour over a 1 hour. What's up, my brother? Have you ever looked at some of the Wakasam teachings? That brother has charged reason off point browser wizard. I haven't even heard of the guy, but I'll check him out. Should I get out of GJ? I took the buy at 187.946. GJ 187.496. Oh, 946. Hold on. Whoa, did you take a buy there? Yeah, bro. 100% get out of that. It's going to be a while till you get back to that zone. So if you want to hold, you can hold. I just don't know how big your stop loss is. Honestly, though, we neutral as fuck at the moment, but lol, yeah. You think it can't break resistance now? Which trade are we talking about? Obviously already, like they're talking now, you guys have points. So for example, like, yeah, this is our resistance. You can see here, that's our level, marking up where our wicks are. So we need to break that resistance to continue bullish. Otherwise, we are going to continue bearish. Yo, Keegs, hope you're well. You mind sharing the pivots on EU quick? Pivots on EU. Our daily pivot is down here, 80.08.200, and then we've literally passed everything already with CPI yesterday. But the weekly is at 06991, resistance 0707420, and supply 06417. But we literally have passed all of them already, so they're almost becoming irrelevant now. Gotta wear under the color of the candles. Gotta wear under the color of the candles you want. I'm bullish green, bearish blue. Got my green underwear on for gold. There we go. Please, which pair is this? Guys, please read. Read. What does that say? Right there. What does that say? Just read, guys. Euro news at 12. Euro's gonna get interesting then. Higher the time frame, the stronger the confirmation. 100%. Sorry, I don't mean to spam. No, that's cool. But you still bearish. Well, the better man won, bro. EU dumping now. GJ buy. Got to ask yourself why. This could be a pullback for GU. That's exactly what we wrote before. This could just be the low of the day. Use the eyes indicator, boys. Tech Lab, just leave, bro, if you're such a good trader. People just want to ask dumb questions. Lol, they're trolling. Please don't trade if you don't even know what the pair is. I just watched the move, dumb money, and now I'm here. Tech Lab, oh yeah, it just says read. But yeah, we were talking about Euro. That's actually one thing. I don't think so, bro, because the only other red folder news is dollar. Yeah. No, Euro's at 12, bro, but that's a yellow folder. That's not going to do shit to the markets. The only other red folder is PPI today. So, yeah, Euro news at 12 isn't going to do anything. And again, that's another thing I have. Like, if you worry about yellow folder news, then also you don't know anything about fundamentals. GUBP is that of cards. Could you show us the trades you took during CPR? I don't know what relevance that's gonna have, but I can show you. That was our CPR trade, guys. That was there. Yes, I know it shows that, but I didn't get wicked out. I can show it to you on my phone. We didn't get wicked out. The move was too quick to calculate it, as we spoke to the guys. But that was the CPI trade. We just traded TP to the key level, and that is where we closed. That was CPI yesterday. Guys, press the last button and push GU up. Yeah, guys, just bring the volume into the markets. 220 viewers, only 109 likes, guys. Come on. I know we can get those likes up. Were you familiar with Roaring Kitty and GameStop before the movie came out? I had no idea, lol. No, bro. I didn't know at all. Alright, so if this goes below those lows, guys, I might kill the trade then. If it does, but already looking to hold. As I said, this can just be the low of the day, and we can see our momentum is slowing down, but that also can just be a bit of accumulation to distribute afterwards. So again, we are trying to be patient with the trade, but we are seeing how we are rejecting that area there. So that's what we're trying to take note of, that we are battling to break that area. So we'll wait for this 5 minute. If this 5 minute close at those lows, I will literally close out the trade. For literally a few flipping pips, like 1 pip or something, 2 pips. But that'll just be trade management on my side. Because these type of trades on key levels, you want to see that breakaway. You don't want to see the trades hovering around entry. Damn, I got wicked out before the spike keys. Yeah, it wasn't lucky. I think a lot of people were talking about it. We were talking about it earlier, actually, how some people got wicked, some people didn't. Yeah, it was a tricky one yesterday. I think that just depended on your broker. USD ZAR experienced a huge bearish yesterday because of dollar weakening. Reason is CPI. Please take USD ZAR and tell me your view of it. You think it's going to continue going down to 17 Rand a dollar? Yeah, I'll look at it. Why not? Why not? I don't trade it at all. I know Chris does, but I don't. Who did we mark this out for already? Yeah, there we already called the bearish move over there. That was on Monday. There we go. Monday, yeah, we called the bearish move on USD actually as well. But yeah, I'd say it's still gonna go bearish. You've broken the lows, closed below the lows, so yeah, definitely think it'll still go bearish. Just looking on daily structure, 4 hour. 4 hour you are there though, so as long as you stay below these lows, yeah, I think you can stay bearish for a while. Probably trade down to the S2 maybe. Yeah, a lot of volume in this area, so I'd say your S2, so 796150, make it a round number. But yeah, I'd say it's still gonna be bearish for a while. Okay, 15 minutes, and looks like I'm still holding on to this trade. Doesn't want us to kill the trade as of yet. We are still closing above that key level. Ooh, are we? Yes, we are. So I'm still holding on. May I ask which broker you use? That is classified information. Just read the cap, guys. Keegan, do you see gold pulling back then going bearish again with USD news? No, gold is 100% bullish, but it will have a little pullback before it continues more bullish momentum. What is CPI and PPI? CPI is cost producer index and PPI is producer price index. Consumer price, sorry, not cost. Consumer price index and producer price index. Dad gave a wick new bearing for buy here. Wish I could hit that like button more than once. Yeah, bro. Some of these other people are too lazy. Yeah, I don't see. They want to sit here and watch and make money, but they just can't give us a like. No entry on EU yet. I haven't even been watching EU again, bro. Yeah. I'd wait. We have to even get back above Asia lows before I look at something there. Euro's taking shots, but they can be just to go the opposite way to change around later on. I mean, GU playing with us. Dollar all the way back at Asia highs. and yet GU is still hanging on. Keys, what's the news? May I ask what's the benefits of trading? I'm a sports bettor. Well, if you want to bet on trading, don't, bro. Don't. Trading is making money, but it's a good prediction. Euro USD, we just looked at it like literally 5 seconds ago. But right, guys, I'm going to go try to take a pee this time. I'll be back. Stop loss. Oh no.
Yeah, he sent me a message just like, dude, I must tell you something now. I'm like, oh shit. So I phoned him and he told me, and I'm like, dude, look, the thing is, before this happened, I had a conversation with Chris. And I told him, like, listen, just watch out for him. He's like, oh, he's like fiddling with the background guy and guys back. And that's why he didn't see the key. So he used to say, like, well, just watch out for him. He doesn't really like it. So, you know, it's difficult to go to a guy and say, listen, your best friend is not coming back. So I thought maybe the best person to do is to approach Chris about it and tell him. Because I know he comes here to the office and he comes sit here and he listens and shit like that.
Very
So,
sneaky.
yeah.
No, because I messaged Han last time and I said to him, is that story that you posted on your Instagram about us?
Yeah.
So he goes, why would you think it's about you? Because, and then I said to him, Han, Caitlin, so my friend Caitlin at the gym, she said
That's
to me,
Leon's.
yes, she said to me, no, Han and her had a conversation and he mentioned to her that we're living above our means. So she's like, she didn't want to say anything to me, she didn't want to hurt me, she didn't want to upset me, she says she knows we've been going through
It's
a lot.
always a difficult situation.
Yeah. So she's like when she saw that story, she knew it was about us, and
Yeah.
that's when she stripped a word. She's like, that's not okay. So she was gonna message him last night too. So I was like, let me message him and let me see what he says. And then he's like to me, well, that's not okay. He's like, yeah, I must chat to Kate because that's clearly not what I said. I was like, hi. She's not gonna lie to me.
Yeah.
She said you used those words. I was like, why are you talking about us behind her back? No, it was about you and Savannah. But why were you talking about me behind her back? Like, I was like, it's not okay. And then he's like, well, he's going to chat to Keith. I was like, good luck to that. I was like, if you think I'm mad at you, wait until Keith messages you. Because this is the last straw. I literally said to him straight, you and Savannah must actually stay out of our lives because everything you guys touch turns to rot.
Yeah.
Like, rather leave us alone.
Yo, now dude, you probably fuming. He's like,
Because he gave mine a second chance. After the last time we had that big fight,
yeah.
we gave him another chance. We were like, you know, we see the best in him. We're going to see what happens. Did you have to be right in front of him?
Huh? Really? No, I can chew it. Really? Hello? What you chew? Really?
It's not honestly, I'll say to his face. But I was
Am I in the wrong? See what I mean, bro? Come back.
Really?
I'm break even.
Look at the comments.
Maybe next time you must take a shit.
Then you'll know better.
No, let's take a poop next time, bro. I sent Twitter voice as well this morning.
What he said.
Yo, I can actually play the voice.
I was gonna say he should also opinions.
Look, he deleted all his messages yesterday, but I almost saw it in the notification. I thought stupid.
Bullish on Keys taking more than 7.5 seconds before he gets back. I'm bearish. I saw you guys, right? I'm out of G cells. It can go up now if it wants. I allow it. Close at minus 2.5 pips. Bullish W stopped counting after 75 seconds. Haha. Keegan, your mics are so good. We hear everything the ladies were saying. Did you really hear, bro? Yeah, 75 seconds would be closer. Hearing all the girls flirting with Keegan. Alright, guys. But yeah, as I said, we are literally just waiting for this trade. Doesn't want to do anything as of this point. The thing I am liking is on the 15, it is definitely showing our rejection of this area. So definitely can see how it is losing that momentum now. USD JPY still dropping off. Gold holding out there. DXY trying to reject off the Asia highs. So we might just have to give this time, guys. If this starts rejecting Asia highs, we are in, guys. So we just need to see what dollar does at Asia highs. Asia lows remain untested, so we might get that push down, which will be our trade. Everything else, gold still going bullish. UJ dying. EU's taking shots like properly. Yes, sis. EJ is dead. GU, we are up again. GJ, we're down. But yeah, GU, guys, I honestly think I'm just gonna hold this trade. Like, I'm either gonna take stop loss on it, or because at this point in time, both of us, we're at a key level and dollar is at Asia highs. So we're just going to have to see what happens here. Can this possibly be a swing trade? I wouldn't necessarily say swing, because of the idea that you're already quite high on the market. So if you had to say swing, like, I'd only be talking like up to like, yeah, maybe like the highs, take out the high, but that would be about it. But again, guys, this 5-minute breaks the low, then I'll actually close it. Then I will close it out. Their dollar is going. So yeah, if we take the lows, yeah, I will close this out over there. Let's see. So 1 minute, guys. Let's see if we close the trade or if we will still continue to hold. Keegs, how old young you is? Proper English. I'm 24. I'm hoping Asia highs and DXY get broken. Well, yeah, they're broke now from the looks of it. Yeah. So we are just waiting to see if we take the lows here. Then I will close the trade. I'll see you in your session, boys and girls. We'll see you there, guys. We will see you there. Okay, 2 seconds. We broke the lows, guys. And I am out of the trade. So that's there. We closed it in 5 pips. So 5 pips, guys. That is what we closed this one out on. Unlucky Keegs. Nas100 a nice pullback. It's all good, guys. Literally, as I say, this can be a swing trade. I just don't want to sit around and wait. I mean, we have like 30 minutes or so, then we have to kill the stream anyway. So I'm not going to sit around in drawdown now. But again, all about just risk management, guys. That's all we are worried about and watching now. How do you and Chris know each other? Well, I work with him. That's how we know each other.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, DXY at those highs. So UJ, we'll see what happens there. Yeah, EU, everything basically rejecting having those pullbacks by the look on Euro's side. GJ is at the pivot, but I wouldn't take that off there. Yeah, GJ at the pivot, but again, I can't take that trade off there. Nas, Nas looks like it's had a turnaround. As you mentioned, you guys come back for Asia highs. US30 at Asia highs. Lol. I met him through basically, so when he opened up the branch, yeah, he was looking for a PA, so he hired my girlfriend as his PA, and then she was obviously talking to him because the company wasn't actually listed as Vault. So when it was some other name, he said, no, this is actually like for Vault. And so my girlfriend was like, oh, like trading. So he was like, oh, like, you know about trading? And she's like, no, like my boyfriend's like a funded trader and all this stuff. And she was like, oh, really? So he's like, yeah. She says, yeah, no, he's funded. He's been full-time trading now, all these things. She was like, oh, damn, okay. So obviously Chris wanted to branch out, bring in some of the guys in the game here in PE. So one day then he called me in for a meeting with him at the office to meet him. And yeah, ever since then, Chris and myself just clicked. Nothing near my zones right now. Going to smash a quick gym session and be back for New York. Have a lack of time, folks. Enjoy it, brother. Enjoy it. London session is giving me a kick on the nuts for 2 weeks. I stopped trading anything but A plus setup. Stepped out for a bit. You still in GU? No, we closed the GU trade. Literally back at break even. But we closed out, yeah. After this candle broke the lows, we closed out. Awesome, thanks. Where are you guys located? We are in PE. South Africa. That's it. But yeah, as I said, we closed out on this trade, guys. 5 pip loss. But all about risk management. Bro, do you also see Nas still pushing up a bit before reversing? No. Well, like I said, I wanted to come down to Asia highs, possibly even Asia lows, and then continue upwards from there. So I'd roll out that pullback before continuing. This is EJ Dodd. Yes. But yo, let's see it, guys. The GJ really taking shots there. Oh. Mr. Anton is back. Poor performance is an issue. Anton, where were you yesterday, bro? We were waiting for you for CPI, and then you just didn't come. Where were you? You're 80 at a key rejection line. Could push back up nicely here for a quick win. Let's see if it plays out. Foot stack, Anton. 4 years old, living in Ibadan, USA. Kudos to you for trading live and stream at 24. Really, really appreciate it. You trade ICT? No, I don't. What's your strategy based on key levels? Am I right in saying PPI news will not move the markets as much as CPI? That is correct. It will have effects, but not nearly as what CPI did. Yeah, not nearly what CPI did. And that is why we closed that trade, guys. There we go. You can see it there. That is risk management. Closed at 5 pips. We could have closed at almost 10 pips. Do you have a Telegram channel? No, we don't. There's a Discord channel. You can get the link in the description below. Muscle Bay trading. How is life in South Africa? Bro, I thought you're from South Africa. You're so obsessed with Muscle Bay. Do you find your key level with your fib retracement like you showed earlier? No. I'm Swiss area, not here. Okay, well that explains the English. Do you find your key level with the fib? No, I don't. Key levels are key zones marked out on those time frames. So daily marked out on the daily, weekly marked out on weekly. Bro, give Tech Trader his flowers. Here are these oaks. Yesterday, all my troubles seemed so far away. But really, Anton, where were you yesterday, bro? You were all big talk, big talk, big talk. Then Anton, we hit a flip at 8.5 our trade. And Anton's gone. He's hiding. He's very, very quiet.
Then I know, look, I'm going to put up a thing.
He's even calling the people out of the English. So start commenting there. Like it's Afrikaans.
Is Anton Afrikaans?
And no one knows what the flip Anton is.
Probably Anton.
He'd be like a llama for all we know.
Before that long.
Is that Jabba in the background? I know that laugh. I told you they can hear these mics. I told you guys.
Who's that? That's him again. Yeah, watch your tune.
Yeah, we can hear the background convos, bro. Yeah, I was telling these guys and they're like, oh, really?
We're still going. Yo, that smells strong.
Yeah.
Smells good.
No? I
Love
like
it.
the smell of petrol, dude.
I was gonna say the same thing.
Now it looks as though we're here to stay. Now, apparently Anton's only here to stay when it suits him. But it's all good, Anton. All good, bro.
So we just gonna now shift over to the left, mate.
Yeah, we're gonna have to find a way to do this, but yeah, we're gonna have to just move everything.
Yeah, I don't want to plug anything out.
Performance is all you need, gigs. Yeah, bro. I performed 8.5 hour trade yesterday, so I'm very, very happy with my performance.
Chatadonia. Yes, sir.
Chad, don't.
Can you show the NAS setup? There is no NAS setup, bro. We're not in NAS.
Yesterday, my girlfriend comes home from work. I'm like, Chad. she's like, what? I'm like, sorry. It's just. It's just one of those things.
What else is there? Oh damn, yo guys, you wanted to trade Asia lows. I wasn't paying attention to that. Keegan, do you know what rhymes with Anton? What's that? I know Twist. What else rhymes with Anton?
Yeah, Jason goes all out there.
Keegan needs profits and not losses. Bro, I'm literally up like just under 8% for the week. So I'm in lack of profits, bro.
But I must just find a school and calm
Yo,
down.
JC must send me a DM, but I'll buy him a Seattle coffee for that comment.
Fucking idiots.
Need DXY to drop. Oh, the mensen want to still buy gold in Nasdaq. Yes, sir.
They don't want to leave it alone yet.
Nee, they want to ride that train there, yo. Looks like a game.
Keegan Gold, the 4 hour, just want to know if you see that bearish
So
pattern
cool.
cup. What? Pattern cup and handle. What the flip is a cup and handle?
Cup and handle.
A cup and handle.
Oh, that's a.
Eh?
Yeah. But dude.
No,
like,
man.
Who wants to trade that?
That's the first time I've even heard of that thing. But I am bullish on it, bro. I can just tell you that. I can just tell you that.
Do you know what's an alligator?
And,
Alligator.
Yeah, alligator pattern.
Dude, we're not talking about animals now.
Yeah, look, I'm gonna show you now.
No ways, dude.
bro, my first thing is what? Is it going to take like 4 years to form an alligator pattern? Because how big is that pattern?
Yeah.
Hey? Especially if you want to see that on a daily. Like,
What's that indicating gold? Beat the market.
No, man, I'm looking for the EMAs.
Does the pattern look like an alligator?
No, like you have to draw it. You have to draw it manually.
Oh.
Shit,
No, but we
man.
don't have time for that though.
I'm gonna show you now. Now just to give you.
Keegan is a good trader.
just to show
Happy
you
trading
what the
GU.
people would sell people through. Yeah, what the fuck.
Actually,
Yes.
gotta tell your girl to cup and handle these balls.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, these guys.
Here you go. Yo,
Oh my word, man.
the Chatadonia, yo. Oh, I didn't. Do these people miss Chris on the stream?
Yeah, they were talking
dude.
about earlier, they miss him.
Shame, man. Probably just in London, eh?
Ah, these people, yeah.
I wanted you the people go spamming in his DMs telling him missing.
Which fucking indicator is it?
Yeah, the chat is fucking ruthless.
That's what I like about this chat.
Alright, well, we know we'll be out on that, guys.
Essentially.
Let's see, guys. Let's see. I'm actually irritated. We were talking so much we didn't realize that. That was our setup there. The break below Asia lows retest. But we were sleeping there. Keys, trying to get your opinion on Euro AUD.
Isn't it coming in like 2 weeks?
No, so just make sure I'm here.
So I don't even know what the hell all these charts and drawings are. Alright, but we got some equal highs there. Okay, first area of rejection we want to see is that over there. Okay, you definitely bearish though. So you have the support zone here that you've actually broke below. So we can see that break now. You also are under the weekly pivot. So if we were on the 15, yeah, I'd never say you're bearish. If anything, you could get a pullback till there, but 100% definitely are bearish. Could look at a retracement down to it's actually quite far in the 4 hour, but definitely these lows over here, basically 66 flat. Could look at something all the way there if it carries on bearish. What is the maximum number of trades you have lost in a row? I don't know. I'd have to look. I'd have to look for that one. I can't tell you that off the top of my head. Morning, afternoon, guys. Hope you're well and a blessing for you. Really appreciate that. It's just me, are the markets slower during the mornings these last few weeks? No, they are much slower. They definitely are slower. Definitely slower. It's just the move coming now, guys. Hi, Keys. As it came in late, anything I missed? We took a 5 pip loss on GU, but it looks like the move actually might be coming now. I'm holding a sell in gold. It seems like it is broken as in resistance. I'm thinking it to close. What is your opinion on it, brother? I'm bullish on gold. Noted, much appreciated. 100%, bro. 100%. ENG, in my opinion, to go higher on daily, especially by PPR. Yeah, Anton, we actually agree on something. But I thought you said GU's bearish. PPR to get USD further lower. Yes, it's Anton. Look at that. We actually agreed on something, bro. It's a Christmas miracle.
Is he finally useful for something?
Will you re-enter G if you close above resistance? If we close above that resistance, I definitely will consider it. I would definitely consider it. Especially the things while I was doing this is looking on the 15. If we do enter this now, if the 15 closes like this, you also are closing above this candle, and it will be our first bullish candle back above the key level. First actual bullish closure. So definitely something to take note of. But guys, I think we will just wait now. We'll see how this 15 closes, if I'll re-enter it or not. I can't think about it. But then we probably have to close the stream for today, just for London session. Obviously, we'll be back for New York. These guys have just got to do the air cons and stuff in here. So we'll be shutting down a little bit early today, but we'll be back for New York session. Up top of the week after CPR, bro. That's the thing. You don't need to trade. You don't need to risk anything now. When you're up after CPR like that, literally, nothing you got to risk, bro. So we just want to see how this candle is going to close. First agreement. There we go, bro. There we go. Took a while, but we're on the same page now. But let's see, guys. 140 likes, guys. Can we get those likes up to 150? Maybe even 160, guys. I think we can definitely do it. Let's see how the 15 closes. Can this 15 close bullish above the key level? DXY still going up. But can GU make its comeback? Friendship restored. In Korean drama, all love start with hate. If you get in shorts that blast off, I dare you to shout white candle power. Oh my word.
No. Fuck.
No. I will not be going, guys. It's still closed below. That's it. I will not be taking it. Alright. But that's it, guys. So I won't be taking that trade. There's no re-entry there for me. It has not confirmed anything. I will not be taking that trade. But alright, guys. I think we're going to call it there for the London session. As I said, we've just got to get things done here in the office so we can be ready for New York session. But alright, guys. That is from myself. I will see you guys in New York session. Thank you for joining. Appreciate all of you guys. Peace and love, guys. Check you later.
you